Come here, look. Did you see that? Shaking very hard. Actually, this is because the oxygen sensor is faulty. Let's take it apart and check it out. Wow, it has been covered with carbon deposits. Next, let's clean it. So dirty. Okay, it has been cleaned. Let's install it back. Restart the car. Let's look at the front. Let's put the water glass back in its place. Did you see it? No more shaking. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. The home page has 1000 car knowledge.